Okay. So 52. So from 52 to 87. Okay. Srija.
Answer 73.
Huh?
73%.
73%. Why?
No reason, sir.
Not easy.
It was between easy and average.
Mhm. So moderate to, so easy to moderate level. Easy to moderate level. Then why couldn't you solve?
Mostly I have an habit of making silly mistakes. So, like
Every time you are saying,
most of the questions. Yes, sir, it happens every time. Most of the questions with silly mistakes, I make mistakes always.
whomever I ask, what is the reason? I made a simple mistake, calculation mistake. अरे यार ये क्या होता है भाई? हर टाइम उद्भव ही बोलता है क्या उद्भव? What is the reason behind losing the marks? कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक कोई तो होता है भाई, उसके अलावा कुछ ना होता है हमारे पास। हमको तो सब आता है, मगर हम तो थोड़ा थोड़ा सिल्ली मिस्टेक ही बनाते हैं बस, उसके वजह से ही मार्क्स लूज होता है। वही ना उद्भव
हाँ
उद्भव।
सर,
हाँ तो फिर रीजन क्या है?
यही रीजन है सर, लैक ऑफ प्रैक्टिस।
यस तन्वी, तन्वी कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी योर मार्क? व्हाट वाज द मार्क्स?
Sir, 68, sir.
68.
68.5.
ఎందుకు తగ్గినాయి ఎందుకు మార్క్స్? క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ మిస్టేక్. Tell me the reason. See
Sir,
guys,
I did not read the questions properly.
simple mistakes. Mark. What were they? What were the mistakes? సింపుల్ మిస్టేక్స్ ఎందులో దేంట్లో అసలు ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఏముండే?
For 1 minute.
సారీ ఐ డెంట్ గెట్ యూ. కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ అగైన్?
Yes, sir. For me, I did the first question wrong.
You should talk ma. If you are like that, what will happen is like you are not gonna you know so active in future as well. You know why I'm giving you an opportunity to talk? You must talk. నవ్వుతూ మాట్లాడాలి. ఏదో ఎవరినో కొట్టిటాలాగా ఎందుకు అట్లా చూస్తున్నావు?
Sir, I'm checking, sir.
సారీ,
Sir, I'm checking the questions.
checking the questions. Okay, you check and be ready with your answer. Next, Pratyusha.
Sir, 50%.
50%. हमेशा 50 हाफ सेंचुरी बनाएगी क्या? हाफ सेंचुरी से ऊपर नहीं बनाएंगे? Your sister is laughing. Prativa is laughing. If I talk with the Pratyusha, Prativa is laughing. देखेंगे प्रतिभा को कितना मिला है मार्क्स. Pratyusha, what is the reason? Every after every test be done, so being done with your test, I'm just asking you what were the issues and what were the problems. Don't tell me the same calculation mistake ही था सर. हर बार वो नहीं हो सकता है, ठीक है? हर बार सेम मिस्टेक नहीं बना सकते ना हम लोग. सेम चैप्टर, सेम टॉपिक्स, almost like same type of questions as well. 50%. Pratyusha, then from this what I could understand is you guys are not able to go through the class notes, you guys are not able to practice in the questions as many questions as possible. If you are going through that, what will happen is you can get a command on that, so then only you can perform, you can get good marks from your test, you can get good result out of it. बताइए रीजन क्या है प्रत्युषा, आपका रीजन तो बताइए.
So I got confused in 1-2 questions.
Confused in 1-2 questions. So apart from that 1-2 question, उसको तो छोड़ो, 1-2 क्वेश्चन तो छोड़ दो, बाकी का क्वेश्चन क्या हुआ?
Silly mistakes and
No. देखो हम the reason guys, I'm just stressing upon each and every student. Why? Because you are taking private tuitions, right? Private tuitions. What is the reason behind taking private tuition? Why? Because you are lacking with some concepts. So here we are making sure that to sharp you guys, we are making sure to brush up your basic points, basic knowledge, basic concepts, to give you advanced level of concepts. All right, so that's for the reason we are strengthening your basics basically. So if you still are not following your basics, then you'll be there itself. You won't be come up. You won't be coming up out of it. So please, Pratyusha, basic mistakes. Okay. Apart from that, how did you feel the question paper, and did you feel that so we can make it out of it? So did you feel that we can make it? अरे यार हम लोग बना सकते हैं. थोड़ा थोड़ा क्या बोलता है, छोटी सा मिस्टेक बन गई थी, छोटा सा मिस्टेक बन गया था, तो उससे हम लोग ओवरकम करके हम लोग बना सकते हैं क्वेश्चन को. उसमें तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. ऐसा कुछ लगा कि आपको? Was there any difficulties in understanding, or did you feel your question paper was easy?
It was medium type.
मीडियम पेपर. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन पेपर बड़ा नहीं था, छोटा नहीं था, पर मीडियम में था क्वेश्चन पेपर. चलो ठीक है, कोई ना. प्लीज डोंट रिपीट द सेम मिस्टेक अगेन प्लीज. आहिल.
Yes, sir.
यस बता. यस सर. क्या पूछ रहा हूँ भाई? यस सर बोल रहे तो आपको तो दूसरा क्वेश्चन है क्या कुछ? सभी के लिए एक ही क्वेश्चन है. I'm asking to everyone the same question. I'm asking the same question for everyone. So I'm saying that if I ask Ahil, yes sir, क्या होता है? yes भाई बताइए, रीजन क्या है? आपका मार्क्स कितना है? मार्क्स
Sir, 68.75.
68.75. क्या रीजन क्या है उसके बीच? I mean, what's the reason behind getting less marks? 68 point.
सर जिस टाइप मैंने सॉल्व किया सर, वही जो ऑप्शन में मेरा आंसर आया, मैं उस पर टिक किया, बाद में देखा तो रॉन्ग आया.
अच्छा, you was expecting the right answers but you got the answers were wrong, right?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, लेकिन आपके तरफ से कोई गलती हुआ होंगे आपके तरफ से? you might have made any calculation mistake, no?
Yes.
हाँ, तो भी नो गलती समझ लिया होगा. चलो देखेंगे. और 62.5, तो ये गलती समझना तो कब कब पॉसिबल होगा? आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हो ज्यादा क्वेश्चन. आप मैक्सिमम जितना भी हो सके उतना प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, तभी हमारे को क्या मिलेगा? कॉन्फिडेंस मिलेगा उससे. ठीक है, क्या मिलेगा? कॉन्फिडेंस. तो कि हम लोग कौन सा भी क्वेश्चन देंगे, कौन सा भी क्वेश्चन देंगे, तब तो उसको क्या बोलता है, उसको क्रैक करके ही हटेंगे. ठीक है. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस यू नीड, एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस यू विल गेट फ्रॉम व्हाट? You will get from solving many questions. Understand? Yes. So,
Sir, you didn't ask me.
अरे बेंजामिन, आप ही हो भाई नेक्स्ट. You only next.
Okay, sir. I
I'm
got
asking
62.5.
Yes, this is how this is how you must be in the class. See how the Steve Benjamin Seaman is like. He is very active. He is asking, sir, I'm getting, so give me an opportunity. Yes, that's how you're supposed to be. I would appreciate for that. Yes,
Sir,
Benjamin.
I actually in the questions I couldn't I did double check and then I changed the answers, but it didn't get saved. So
Okay.
I got most of the wrong because of that.
Okay. Let's see. What were the, how many questions were wrong? Where we made a mistake? If any changes, so we'll make it out. Okay. So apart from that, anything did you feel?
No, sir. And then there was 3 wrong questions. There were.
Okay. Let's see. आखिल टर्न ऑन कीजिए, आपका वीडियो तो टर्न ऑन कीजिए भाई. आप कल के एग्जाम दिए थे?
सर दिया था ना 61.
Did you give an exam yesterday?
यस सर 61 आया.
कितना मिला मार्क्स?
सर 61.
61 मिला है आपको. बहुत कम मिला है भाई. क्यों?
सर सॉल्व में थोड़ा गड़बड़ी हो जाती है.
सॉरी,
सॉल्विंग में कर रहा था तो गड़बड़ हो जा रहा था, मतलब आ रहा था लेकिन गलत आंसर आ रहा था.
गलत आंसर आ रहा था. वो प्रैक्टिस के वजह से, लैक ऑफ प्रैक्टिस के वजह से ही होता है ऐसा. ठीक है, तो प्रैक्टिस करना है, जितना भी हो सके उतना प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो ही हमारे को मिलेगा. ठीक है, एक ही सॉल्यूशन भाई. देखो मेरा छोटा भाई, बड़ा भाई, सब लोग एक ही हमारे, फॉर गेटिंग द मार्क्स इज यू हैव टू गो थ्रू योर क्लासरूम्स एंड सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस एज मच एज यू कैन. So we are not giving anything out of the box. Everything from your textbook, either textbook or out of textbook, but related to your textbook concept, not same questions as your textbook questions, like somewhat related to your textbook questions, textbook concepts. Getting my point? Answer? Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बताइए अनुदीप, what's your mark? What's your mark?
Sir, 68.75.
Why?
Sir, when I checked, I got 4 questions wrong. From
Okay.
that one question, the question was incorrect.
Okay.
1 or 2 questions. So
Okay.
my mark went down because of that.
Same, sir. Cool. Okay, we'll see. We'll check it out. What about others? तुषार बताइए भाई.
Sir, I got 87.5.
87.5.
Yes, sir.
Good. Where did you
Actually,
where did you make a mistake?
sir, most of the questions which came in the test were from the previous test. So, like, I just practiced the previous questions, right? So, the same questions I got. So, from there were the scoring points, and uh, some are some here or there was some silly mistake. Yeah,
Okay.
two mistakes.
Acha. Okay. Let's see. What about Shaikh Mohammed Sharab? Sharab, आपका वीडियो तो टर्न ऑन कीजिए. टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा मैन. Sharab.
Yes, sir.
शराब बताइए, आपको हिंदी समझ में आता है?
हाँ सर, आती है.
हाँ तो बताइए. तो हिंदी आती है तो क्या बोलती है, हम क्या बोलता है, बताइए. मार्क्स बताइए आपका. टेल मी योर मार्क्स.
81.25%.
व्हाई डिड यू कम डाउन? अरे यार 100 से तो 81 पे चल गया. 100 से पूरा नीचे उतर गया क्यों? 100
Sir, I
सेंचुरी
got
बनाना अच्छा नहीं
3
लग रहा है क्या?
questions wrong.
Okay, well
I
let's
got
see.
3 questions wrong.
Okay,
One of
let's
them was because so it was in pair of linear equations. So for A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2, I messed it up and I used A1 by A2 by equals B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2.
Oh my goodness. Okay, not an issue. Chalo. So let me share the screen, guys. 1 second. Okay, देखिए हम लोग क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे. Is there anything missing? I didn't ask. Did I ask everyone? Guys?
Sir,
You didn't ask me.
अरे यार प्रतिभा बताइए बेट. हाँ, टेल मी.
62.5%.
62.5%. स्टिल हाफ सेंचुरी. कभी भी 60 में रहे हो क्या? Always will you be in 60 only? Don't you come up or would you go less than 60? हमारे को सेंचुरी बनाना है, ठीक है. सेंचुरी मारना है. कैसा सेंचुरी का मतलब पता है? 100 परसेंटाइल बताना है. 100%. क्लियर? समझ रहा है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
यस. तो कोई दिक्कत आ रही है क्या, प्रॉब्लम समझने में कोई?
No, sir, just the plus minus one, that was the problem. बाकी सब ठीक था.
अच्छा, प्लस माइनस प्रॉब्लम. प्लस माइनस एडिशन में क्या दिक्कत हो रही
No,
है?
positive negative part one. मतलब उनमें थोड़ा
हाँ ठीक है. थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस कीजिए देगा, ठीक है. थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. व्हाट अबाउट एनीवन स्टिल? Did I ask everyone, guys? Who left? I think one more. Where is one more girl? Where I didn't ask her. One more. So who left the meeting? Sorry. भाई आकिल, क्या छोटे बच्चों के साथ खेल रहे हो भाई? क्लास सुनिए पहले, ठीक है. उसको भिजाओ थोड़ा बाजू में. चलो. हाँ, हम लोग क्वेश्चन पेपर देखेंगे, ठीक है. हाँ देखिए क्वेश्चन पेपर. यार क्या क्वेश्चन पेपर ओपन नहीं खोल रहा है. एक मिनट. चलो. Look at this. If the system of equations x plus 3y is equal to 5, 4x plus ky is equal to 10 has infinitely many solutions. Guys, what is the condition for solving infinitely many solutions? X plus 3y
All
is equal
three
to 5.
must be equal, sir. A1 equals A1 plus
X
by
plus 3y is equal to 5. So A1 by E2 is equal to B1 by B2. Do you mean this one?
Yes, sir. All three must be equal.
So x plus 3y is equal to 5, 4x plus ky is equal to 10. Very good. So 4x plus 10 क्या दिया था क्वेश्चन? ky is equal to 10. So guys look at this here. मैंने आपको बोल रहा हूँ कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इसको. देखो सिंपल. देखो x plus 3y इज इक्वल, ये हमारा क्या है, कंपेयर करेंगे, दिस इज माई A1, दिस इज माई, व्हाट इज दिस, A2 और A2 और क्या है B1, व्हाट इज दैट, A1 B1,
B1.
this is my C1, this is my A2, this is my B2, this is my C2. ठीक है, देखो हाउ द क्वेश्चन विल बी, लुक एट दिस, हाउ द कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी, A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, so A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. हमारे पास ये क्वेश्चन, ये what kind of equations are this? Tell me, what kind of equations are this? Minus 10 is equal to 0. Clear? हाँ. Now what he is asking, whether it's homogeneous or non-homogeneous? Tell me. Hello? Guys, haven't you learned in linear equations? I'm asking whether it is a homogeneous or non-homogeneous. Huh?
Yes.
Whether it is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. Any one of you? Guys, any one of you, what is homogeneous and non-homogeneous? Hello?
Sir, I know homogeneous and heterogeneous from science, but I don't know in math.
What did you know? What do you know from that?
Homogeneous, heterogeneous mixture.
Sorry? Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Someone is talking. Please, you have to tell, please. Hello? Yes, Anudeep, you are right. Tell me, man. Tell me.
Sir, particles can be seen in a homogeneous mixture.
Yes, look at this. Any equation which is in the form of A1 x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. Understand? So you might, what are the things you might have learned in your linear equation chapter, right? Linear equation in two variable. How many of you
Yes,
learned that?
I learned it.
What did you learn from that? Yes, tell me, Shradha.
We first find x, substitute in y.
I'm
We have learned
talking.
about coordinates,
Mm-hmm.
linear equations.
Mm-hmm. Okay. See, but guys, look at this here. What are the conditions you have learned? Condition मतलब कब क्या होता है? See here, for infinitely many solutions, what is the condition? This is the condition for infinitely many solutions. If I getting satisfied, look at this, infinite many solutions. This is a condition. Look at this here. Solve this now. What is A1 by A2? So if you find this kind of equation anywhere, that is going to be called as what? Homogeneous. Look at this. Now A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Look at this here. Now what is A1 here? What is A1? Coefficient of A1 1 by 4 is equal to B1. B1 क्या है 3 by B2 क्या है K is equal to C1 क्या है -5, C2 क्या है -10. देखो बेटा इधर क्या है, देखो हम लोग K वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है ना. K वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो पहले इसको दोनों इक्वेट करेंगे तो 1/4 is equal to 3/K. So what is my K value now? 3/4, right? Or else you can just equate these two. Equate these two now. 3/K is equal to 1/2. Why? Because 5 1s 5 2s, right? So K is equal to what? 2/3. Getting? So let us see which option is correct. So 1/2 we have, we have 1/2. 6. Oh, 1 second. 1/2 is equal to 3/K is equal to 1 by.
I also got 2/3 only, sir, but I got wrong, sir.
1/4. Oh, okay. 2x plus. तो इधर 2x होना चाहिए. Then the question. अच्छा.
Sir, I got 3/4.
अच्छा.
I got 2/3.
हाँ. इधर 2x होना चाहिए. तो ये क्वेश्चन हाँ इधर 2 नहीं था. तो इसलिए गलती हो गया आपको. ठीक है, उधर 2 होना चाहिए, तो एक क्वेश्चन गलती हो गया। तो इधर उधर 2 है, तो अगर इफ इट इज देयर 2 देन इट शुड बी 2/4. 2/4 means here it should be 2/4 means, so what will I get now? 2 ones 2 2s, so 1/2 is equal to 3/k, so k value 3 into 2, so 6. Then it will be correct. So as per the question,
So that question was correct for me too.
yeah, look at it there. You leave this question, guys. There should be 2, guys. There should be 2. Coefficient of x supposed to be 2. There is a mistake actually. Then only the option is going to correct. Clear? So if any equation which is in the form of this one, guys, for this kind of homogeneous solutions, so if the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, if it is getting satisfied, guys, then it will be having infinitely many solutions. All right, guys. So look at this. Even you solve now like this. If you solve these two now, 1 second. Even you solve this now, you will be getting one k value as 6 only. Even you solve this 2 now, again you will be getting k value 6 only. Clear? So option, the question is wrong. So if it is 2 there, if the system of linear equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, then the answer must be 6. 2 is not there, so the answer is supposed to be 2/3. So option is not available. So option, this question will be bonus. I mean, like I will be deducting this question. Okay. Next question. If the equation x square plus 4x plus k is equal to 0 has real and distinct roots, means क्या होना चाहिए? What will be the answer?
Sir,
Discriminant should be
0.
greater than 1.
Haan,
Greater than 0.
greater than 0. So what would you be getting? What will you be getting? K value?
K is less than 4.
Great. Yeah.
Oh, 1 second.
Sir, when we did it, the answer was k plus or minus.
Is equal to 0, no? So D is supposed to be greater than 0. 16 B square, right? B square minus 4AC supposed to be greater than 0. So 16 minus 4k greater than 0. So 16 greater than 4k. So 4 greater than, so k less than 4. K less than 4. Our option A is correct. Option A is correct. So guys, itna I solved in my mind, but okay, real and discriminant is supposed to be greater than 0. Option A only correct. How many of you got correct? How many of you got correct?
Sir,
Sir, I wrote option.
But I got wrong.
Acha, you, how many, like, look at this here. How many of you got k less than 4?
Sir, I
I
got
got,
k
sir.
less than 4.
Sorry?
I got.
Sir, I got.
Me too.
Okay, cool. So let me give the marks. Next, the value of C. Very good question. The value of C for which the pair of equations cx minus y is equal to and 6x minus 2y is equal to 3 will have infinitely many solutions. Same तो condition है. Infinitely many solution का मतलब क्या है? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Equate कीजिए, मिलेगा आंसर. समझ रहे? Any doubts? Let us solve this. Cx minus, what was the question? Cx minus y is equal to 2 and
bx minus 2y is equal to 3.
देखो इधर this can be written as what? Minus 2 is equal to 0 and minus 3 is equal to 0. I'm shifting 3 to the left hand side. All right. So C1 by 6. So C by 6 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. So minus 2 by minus 3. So C का value find out करना है ना, तो इसको equate कीजिए पहला. You can equate these two, or you can equate this and this, or you can equate anything. All right. You can equate any two here, but one must be consist C value, right? One must be having C variable. If I equate these two, I'll be getting C value, or else you can equate this and this, you'll be getting C value. You can equate anything. All right. So C by 6 is
Sir,
equal to 1 by
what's
2.
the condition given?
Infinitely many solution. So
Then how is it possible? Because 1 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 3.
1 second.
Yes, sir, this.
Yes, 1 second. Yes. We'll check it out. C is equal to 6 by 2. Then C is equal to 3. I'm getting C is equal to 3 here. Now let us check. C by 6 is equal to minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 minus will get cancelled. So 6 by 3. Oh my goodness. Here we are getting 2, right?
Yes.
अरे यार ये टॉपर में कितना
Sir,
गलतियां
but then in this there is also an option no value. I pressed no value, so I got it correct.
हाँ नो वैल्यू है ना
Yes,
ऑप्शन है
sir.
ना
I also did.
हाँ यस 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 देखो इसमें नो वैल्यू है तो ऑप्शन हम लोग दो ए बी सी ऑप्शन डज नॉट हैव 2 3 सो नो वैल्यू ऑफ द वैल्यूज फॉर सी हाँ
But
हाउ
sir,
यस
in exam, actually we most of the time we don't believe that no value and all of these options.
yes you will be believing in answer actually most of the time I understand but guys there must be this condition must to satisfy c by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3 so there need not to be satisfied guys but we have to equate this one accordingly if you are getting an answer then we'll be writing that so here after solving these two I must get the same value if I'm not getting I must go with a no value clear Anujip so there will be look at this
Yes,
here but guys like I think in topper I made the question paper on topper only but there are so many mistakes yeah from first three questions itself these many mistakes let us check okay
The fourth one we discussed last time.
Achha, fourth one we discussed
Haan.
हाँ
These
option
options are wrong.
हाँ sorry
So this fourth one we discussed last time.
same
We
question
had the same question.
oh
Yeah.
then option A is correct
Yeah.
हाँ
Yes.
any doubt guys very simple has equal roots equal root means what discriminant supposed to be equal to 0 1 second discriminant supposed to be equal to 0 हाँ next fifth question look at the fifth one if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has equal roots मतलब क्या होना चाहिए discriminant supposed to be equal to 0 equal to 0 guys how many of you did this question correctly good question actually
Sir, I got the question.
हाँ look at
I
this
got correct.
हाँ equal to 0 means discriminant supposed to be equal to 0 right discriminant with b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 so b square is equal to 4ac he is asking us to find c value so b square by 4a so b square by 4a is the right answer option D is correct any doubts
No,
Not-
sir.
Next question a pair of linear equations which has a unique solution guys what is the condition for having unique solutions
A1.
A1 by A2 equals to
Not
B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C.
yes so which option is going to satisfy over here
Sir, B.
huh
Option D. I don't like D.
D for dog or D for Delhi tell me Delhi
Sir, D for dog.
okay dog okay so option which option is satisfying over here if you substitute so x and y value must substitute so that D must be satisfied as per the answer look at the D option whether getting satisfied or not so 2 minus 2 plus 12 yeah 14 so 10 minus so 10 plus 30 yeah D option is satisfying B option is also satisfying option B for Bombay
Yes, sir. That also is.
okay 1 second so 4 1 second 4 plus 4 minus 15 okay so 8 minus so 8 minus 30 yeah option B and D must be satisfying how many of you wrote B and D
Sir, I wrote B.
I did B and I got it wrong.
Yeah.
Sir, I got dog. I mean D, sir.
okay so for this also we'll add the marks no issues next so if x is equal to and y is equal to b is a solution guys if I keep same topic again and again this will happen actually so in topper there are many mistakes actually so we should not believe one more time so we have to I have gone through guys but because I felt the questions will be correct but I didn't solve individually I thought the questions I just gone through the question but the options will be different right so I didn't go through the options so I checked each and every question I felt everything is correct but options they have given wrongly okay still okay look at the seventh one if x is equal to a y is equal to b is the solution of the equation then the values of a and b solve a and b how many of you got correctly
Sir, I got.
I got it correct.
correctly right so if you substitute x value in substitute x minus guys pratyusha prateva And guys, you must talk. What about Ashish, Tanvi?
Yes.
Guys, everyone should talk. Is there any doubt, guys? Do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
वेरी गुड. चलो इसमें देखो क्या है, x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 4 एंड गिवन x इज इक्वल टू a, y is equal to what? B, now substitute here. Now substitute x is equal to a, you substitute here, y is equal to b, you substitute here. What I'm going to get here? So a minus y is equal to y is equal to, given that, 1 second, y value given b, so a minus b is equal to, from first equation, so a plus b is equal to 4, right? Add this to now 2a, this will get cancelled, is equal to 6. So a value 3 आ रहा है, ये वैल्यू 3 आ रहा है. देखो कौन सा ऑप्शन सेटिस्फाई करेगा? ऑप्शन, हाँ 3. एंड इफ a is 3, a minus b is equal to, ना 3 minus b is equal to, so 3 minus 2 is equal to plus b, so 1 is equal to b, so b is equal to 1. 3 comma 1, option C is correct. Any doubt, guys?
No doubt.
Solving equations. I don't think so that you guys are very poor at solving this a and b equations. I mean finding a and b values. Any doubt, guys? Everyone understanding? Very
Yes,
simple
sir.
question. I'm substituting the values and just solving the equation for getting a and b values. Eighth one, if 2 is a root of the equation and the equation is x square plus bx plus q is equal to 0, then has equal roots, then q is equal to what? How many of it is this?
Sir, I got it.
I got
Okay.
it, sir.
Very good. X square plus bx plus 12 is equal to 0 given. So x square plus bx plus q is equal to 0 given. What is saying? 2 is the root of this. So 2 is the root of this. So 2 square plus 2b plus 12 is equal to 0. So 2b is equal to, what I'm going to get here? Minus 12 minus 4. So 2b is equal to minus 16. So b is equal to minus 8. Any doubt here? Any doubt?
No doubt.
He's saying that now let us substitute b value here. So x square minus 8x plus q is equal to 0. This has equal roots. Equal roots. He only given, right? Equal roots. Equal roots का मतलब क्या होता है? Discriminant is supposed to be equal to 0, right? Now let us find discriminant 0. B square minus 8 square minus 4ac is equal to 0, right? So let us find out. Minus 8 square means 64, minus 4q is equal to 0. So 64 is equal to 4q, 4 ones, 4 16s. Isn't it? Q is equal to 16 is my answer.
Yes.
16 is the right option. C is correct. Any doubts?
No, sir.
All right. Koi doubt? Any doubt, guys? Any
No,
doubts?
no.
Please. Everyone.
No, sir, no doubt.
Everyone. Very
No,
simple. Chalo. Next question. Whether it's a quadratic or not. Very simple, yaar. It's a quadratic or not? How to find quadratic? It's supposed to be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After simplifying that, whether you are getting in that form or not, check it out and decide the answer. Option is no is correct. Very simple.
So it's not coming. X square is not there. It's
So
cancelled.
then that is not a quadratic equation. Then option B is correct. No.
Yes, sir.
If you are not getting, then option is no. Okay. Chalo. Then again look at this here. X value 3, x value minus 1 given. Are the given values are the roots of the equation or not? First substitute x value 3 in the given equation. If you are getting 0 is equal to 0, then
Yeah.
that will be a root.
It's not coming.
It's not coming. So then no is the answer. Very simple. So what is the concept basically here? You have to substitute the given x values in the given quadratic equation. If you are really getting satisfied that LHS is equal to RHS, then the given values are roots of the given particular equation, right? If not, then answer is no. Any doubts? Very simple questions. And no, already we have solved this type of questions. So that is what the reason I'm not writing over there. Clear, guys? Do you want me to write and explain? Anyone of you, please?
Sir.
No, sir.
No one. Everyone, right? Everyone. Prativa, Pratyusha, Shaik, Shadap, Srija, Steve,
Yes.
Benjamin. Anyone? Tanvi ji? No doubt, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Chalo, good, very good. Next, look at this here. The discriminant of this equation is what? From hereafter the questions will be everything is correct. I think first 5 questions are wrong, no? first 5 questions. So sorry, 5 questions. Total
First-
5. Total 5 questions are wrong.
5 question wrong.
Yeah. So I'll be conducting then for 15 questions. If 15 questions are correct, then we'll give 15 votes. Out of 60, we'll conduct. Out of 60, we'll be looking at that. How many of you got correct? Like if you got 5 wrong. Oh, how many of you got? So out of 15, right? Out of 15. So guys, like how many of you? How many of you got wrong in these questions? Like from 10 to 20, how many of you got wrong? 10 to 20. Is there anything wrong which you got?
Sir, is
Yeah,
the
I've got-
14th question correct?
Yeah. We will check it.
14.
We'll come one by one. We'll
Yeah.
we'll come by one by one. The discriminant of the equation. What is the discriminant? Any doubt in the 11th one? Discriminant. How will you find discriminant? B square minus 4ac. Directly. 16 minus 4. 12. Very simple. Option 11. Sorry, 11th question is 12 is the answer. 12 is the answer. Any doubt, guys? Answer is 12.
No doubt.
So next, 12th one. 3x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Discriminant of the given equation is what? What is discriminant? B square 4 minus 12. 4 plus 12. So minus into minus plus 4 plus 12. 16 is the answer. Any doubts? With mind
No, sir.
calculation, you can give the answer. Yes. 13th one. 13th one, let us solve. Someone is saying that 13th one. Root 2x square plus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0, right? Discriminant b square 144 minus 4 into a into c. Discriminant is supposed to be equal to 0, right? So 144 minus 16 root 2 is equal to 0. He's asking for discriminant, no? Look at this here. 16 root 2, na? Are you correct? Option is correct. So look at, if I take 16 common, 16 9s minus root 2 is equal to 0. So 9 minus root 2 is equal to 0 is the answer. 9 minus root 2 is the right answer. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
9 minus root 2 is Anujip. 13th question is correct, absolutely.
Sir, 14, sir. Anudip said. I think 14 is wrong.
Okay. Check whether the quadratic equation. Okay, let us check it out. So it is correct only, no? 16x square minus 3. 14th one, right?
That's correct.
I got wrong, sir.
16x square minus
Me too, sir. I got wrong.
So 2x plus 5 into 5x minus 3, right? So 16x square minus 3 is equal to, if you multiply this and this, so 10x square minus 6x plus 25x minus 15. So 10x square, if you shift this side, so here how much? Plus 19. So 99 minus 19x plus 12 is equal to 0. Are absolutely this is a quadratic equation? Yes, right answer. Who got wrong answer, man?
Sir, so this is not my 14th question, sir.
Oh, no. The question will be jumbling, man. Questions will be jumbling.
Oh, okay.
So question for everyone, the questions won't be in the same order. Okay. So you just look at the question. Don't look at the
Yes, sir,
question
my
number.
15th question. 15th is the 14th question.
Yes. So root 5x. Yes, 15th question is also absolute right, I guess so. Let us check it out. 15th one. Root 5x. Guys, see, even it is getting wrong, you please try to know the concept behind that question. Okay. Our ultimate aim is to learn the concept, right? Minus 5. So look at this. What he is saying? Finding roots, right? How will you find the roots of this question? By quadratic formula. So minus b. Minus b means minus root 5 plus or minus b square. B square matlab root 5 whole square minus 4 into a. C.
Sir?
Yes.
So they're asking nature of roots.
Nature of roots? Okay, options are completely. Nature of roots means let us find discriminant simply. Discriminant, let us find out. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac is supposed to be. Let us find out. Discriminant. D is equal to this one, right? So b square matlab root 5 whole square minus 4 into minus 1 into c, right? Root 5 is what? 5 only. minus
Sir, B is -1, right?
no, look at this, how it is looking like, minus x square plus root 5x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Guys, always try to look at this here, x square coefficient always a, so a is -1 here, b is what, x coefficient, what is the standard form, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. No, this is my standard form, you have to compare as per this. So x square coefficient is a, so x square coefficient is what, -1, so a is -1. X coefficient is always b, so x coefficient is root 5, so b is root 5, so c is what, root 2. So this is how you should solve. So I got what I got here, 5 plus 4 root 2, real and distinct root. No,
Yes, sir.
here d
Yes,
will be
sir.
what, d will be greater, this is greater than 0, I got d is greater than 0, so real and distinct, so option D is correct. Any doubts? Anudeep, any doubts?
No, sir, no.
So x square plus 6x, so you got 15th one wrong. Guys, you please genuinely tell me what are the questions you got wrong with, please, everyone. Okay.
I got 18, sir. Wrong.
No. See, out of those 5 questions, I just told, right, first 6 questions, whatever we solved here, first 6 questions, except those questions, how many you got correct? You just please put a message in my WhatsApp. Okay, number of questions you got correct with, or else I will be checking out over there, number of correct questions you got with. I think, guys, look at this here. Let me ask you a question. How many of you got all the questions correct? See, even the questions are wrong here. How many of you put options called D here? Question number 1. How many of you got correct this one?
Sir,
Sir, I got the first
I
one
got
correct.
You got first one correct.
Yeah.
How did you put 6 man without options?
Sir, what I did is I took the first 2. It was 1 by 2, right? So denominator was 6. I randomly used 1 as a.
Okay. How many of you got second one is correct?
9.
Sir, mine is correct.
I mean, like, I'm
I got
asking.
it correct.
No.
I got it correct.
No. What I'm telling is you got correct only, but whatever the key, as per the key, did you get correct mark?
No,
Yes,
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, you got correct, ma. What I'm telling
Sir,
is,
I wrote K is less than 4.
see, listen to me. What I'm telling is, you got absolute K less than 4 only. But what I'm telling is, as per the given key, did you get a mark for that?
No,
No.
sir.
No, we
didn't
didn't
get
get
it.
a mark.
No one got right. No one got right.
No, sir.
So out of 15, we'll be checking out then. So no one got corrected out of 15. So I think, apart from those 5 questions, I think everyone might have got the correct only, right? All questions probably. And-
Sir, even I think that that 2 options which is correct, that 5th
Yes, sir.
question.
B and D.
Yeah.
Yes,
B
Shradha.
and D, that one also we did.
Yes, Shradha, I'm telling you, including that question, how many of you got correct? Like remaining 15 questions, including that question. That is also I'll consider it under wrong only. Option was wrong, no. So there should be 2
Correct.
options. I have given only one option is correct. So those 5 questions are wrong. Remaining 15 questions. Out of remaining 5 questions, 15 questions, how many of you got all correct?
Sir, I think I got them all correct.
Yes. Guys, is there
I
any?
didn't get wrong, but I did not attempt 1 or 2 questions.
Okay, you did not attempt. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
so now for how many questions will you take?
15.
Sir, actually now it's showing that my correct questions are 15.
Okay.
But still I have 2 questions right.
Okay.
Means you have discussed the wrong answers.
Still
and the question was right.
No. See, still 2 questions are correct. From where? From which questions? From wrong questions or from correct
wrong questions? From wrong
questions. You leave that question. You leave that. So including that, you got 13 is correct now, right? 13 is correct.
Okay.
You just, like that, you just calculate, guys. Individually, you text me so that I'll put your marks now itself. Now 3 minutes we left with the class. So after once we're done with the class, everyone please try to put a message that how many you got correct. So let me tally with your marks result. I'll be downloading Excel sheet of your marks. I'll be tallying with that. So if any changes, I'll make it out. I'll declare the result by tonight. Okay.
And how many marks total?
Total 60 marks out of 60. Those who got out of 60, I'll be giving 100% for you guys. Clear? So guys,
Okay,
I
sir.
have gone through personally I have gone through each and every question. There was nothing wrong, I felt, but in options, every question is wrong. So that's what happened.
Yes,
Cool.
some of them had to
Yeah,
do
questions
answer.
are correct. Absolutely, the questions are looking like very correct, but options are wrong. So look at this. So 15 is option D is correct. So 16th one, x square plus 6x plus 9. So let us solve that. 16th one. How many have you got correct? 16th one. X square plus 6x plus 9.
Your battery is running low. Your battery is running low. It's
Yes.
giving
Yeah. Yeah. No
notification.
issues. No issues. We'll make it only 2 minutes, right? So b square. So minus b plus or minus b square minus 4a c divided by 2a. So I'll be getting, guys, so minus 35 divided by 2. So this will be my roots, guys. So what will be the option now? No real root. No real root. So real root is, that is not real root, guys. This is not real root, guys. If you have square root of negative number, that is not comes under real root. Okay. So option A is not possible. Option C is not possible. Real and distinct. That root itself not real. Then how come the C option is going to correct? C also wrong. D option is also absolutely wrong. So option possible option is what? B option. How many have you wrote correctly?
Yes, sir.
And say their correct option is D. So that question is wrong.
Sorry?
That question is wrong. Correct answer is given D.
Which one? Option is correct only. Okay, the option is correct only, but I have given the correct option is D.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir. It is going B as the correct.
And
B for Bombay should be there. Yeah, how come this is supposed to be a topper? Okay, 17th one. Look at this here. 3x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Have what? 3x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Have what? Same thing you follow. No real root. So for this, it will be coming actually. Let us solve this. What was that? 3x square plus 2x, no? Plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. You have to solve like this, okay? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. Guys, are you able to understand? I'm not writing the formula straight away. I'm writing the substituting and getting plus or minus to how much? 4 minus 60. So 6. Guys, if you have look at this here first value is less than second value. So I'll be getting minus here. I'll be getting minus 56 clearly. I'll be getting minus 56 here clearly. So minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 56. So which is not real. Not real. Hello. Yes, square root of negative number is not real. So no real roots is the answer. No real root. Option is correct here. C option is correct. So the value of k for which of the following has infinite many solutions? For this the question is correct. Now this question is correct. Then first question is wrong. Now C is correct. 6 is correct. Correct. Same this question as same as first one, but in the first question we do not have 2. Here we have 2. The coefficient of x we have 2 here. In the first question we didn't have that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
option is 6 correct. So 19th one, the value of k is as non-zero solution. What is the condition for finding non-zero solution? What is the condition for saying non-zero solution? Tell me. Guys, for non-zero solutions, you might have, infinitely many solutions you told, man. Why can't you say non-zero solution? What is the condition for non-zero solution?
Sir, I didn't know what was non-zero solution, so I just did a1 by a2, so 3 by k equals 5 by 10, so I did 6.
Sorry?
I didn't know what non-zero solution is, so I took a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2,
okay,
3 by
okay.
k equals 5 by 10, and then I got 6.
Acha. Is there anyone have solved like that?
Yes, I also did the same, sir.
Okay, who's that?
Steve.
Sorry?
Steve.
Sudhir.
Benjamin, sir.
Benjamin. Okay, so non-zero solution means what, guys? Non-zero solution means what is there? It is like infinitely many solution condition only. All right. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So option 6 is going to be correct. See, for non-zero solution also, infinitely many solutions and non-zero, the same condition. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Substitute here, you will be getting 6 is your right answer. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No,
Compare
sir.
like that. So 3 by k is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, yeah, 3 by k is equal to 1 by 2. C is not given, so leave it. Is equal to 0 by 0, you write. Not 0 by 0, guys. It is not given. So k is what here? If we substitute this, so 2 into 3. So k value is 6. Very simple. Right? 20th question. If a pair of linear equations in two variables is a consistent, then the line represented
Intersecting and coincident.
intersecting and coincident. Two variables are consistent. Yeah, consistent means intersecting and coincident. So guys, you please revise this again. So I'll be keeping the test on again linear equations for upcoming week as well. Why? Because we have given so many wrong questions actually. I should not believe topper once again. So the questions are looking like correct, but the all options are given wrongly. So guys, from this, how many questions got wrong? So let us check it. Let us make a count here. So first 1, second one 2, third one, guys. How many have you done third one correctly? Is there anyone who
Sir,
got
it's
wrong?
correct.
It's
Yeah.
correct.
One is correct.
Yeah, third one is correct. So 2. So fourth one is also correct. Fifth one is also correct. Here
The
3.
fourth one is not correct. It should be -2, plus or -2. But then it's the option is
Hey, fourth one is correct, man. Fourth one is
Sir, it's
correct.
correct.
Yes, it's correct. So
Correct.
yeah. So far, including sixth question, we have sixth question, we have 3 questions got wrong. Yeah, 3 questions. So seventh one.
correct. It's correct.
Seventh one is right. So 3. 5 minutes. 3 questions correct. And look at the eighth one.
It's
Eighth one
correct.
is correct.
Correct.
Ninth one is correct. So apart from those 3 questions, right? Apart from those 3 questions, apart from those 3 questions, 3 and everything is correct. I guess this one is wrong. No, one option was wrong. No, option D we have given. I think this 14th one, 15th one. Na?
Yes, it should be B.
It should be D. So 4 questions wrong. 4 questions. Yeah, apart from those 4 questions, everything is correct. No.
Yes, they're all correct.
Yeah, so 16 out of except those questions, how many have you got correctly? Everyone.
Sir, I got them all correct. Other